550 Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Alright, 914 Zulu, your VFR squawk is going to be 0003, and departure frequency is 124.12.
Altimeter is 0003, and the departure frequency will be 124.12.
Alright, you said altimeter, but yeah, it's the squawk, right?
That's correct. The squawk code is 0003.
You got it.
And Naples, with all that, 14 Zulu has the current information and is ready to taxi for the northern departure.
Alright, I now need your position. 9140, need a position so I can taxi you.
9140, apologies, I'm at the Naples Aviation ramp, the FDA.
9140, runway 23, taxi be Alpha.
And 9140, runway 23, via Alpha. And Naples ground, I've got jet blasted and tipped my plane over with a prop strike.
Alright, who is this?
That's 9140 out by the run-up area at 23.
Alright, 9140, roger. Let me get some help out to you. You need a tow?
Yeah, I don't need a tow, I just shut down. Naples ground, you still with me for 140?
140, just called and got you at this tow heading your way. What else can I do for you? Need any other assistance?
Nah, I don't need anything else. This jet here is going to be pretty stuck though.
The jet is stuck? Oh, are you blocking? Are you right? You're not in the run-up?
Nah, I was just coming out of the run-up.
Okay, roger. I'm going to give me 1 second here.
Can you guys just get out and push it back?
Yeah, I can do that.
Appreciate it, bud. Thank you.
Leave the radio on so I can jump right back on with you.
You're fine. Yeah, I've got you covered, so whatever you need to do down there.
Okay, I'm going to push it back into the run-up area.
Thank you, bud. Appreciate it.
No problem, guys. Alright, Naples ground, 140, I am back in the run-up area and looks like I'm out of the way of everyone.